start's at. And one wheel's off right now because issues with the wheel. But I got it running. And I rode around for a nice little while. You can see the tracks. Hello?
Yeah, I'm worried about the Cubano being all aggro.
What?
I guess he's giving away all this food.
Not giving away?
Yeah, he threw it in the back of the truck. He doesn't want my fucking food.
Oh, that stuff, yeah. He doesn't eat cereal, and he provides food with us, so we don't... Like, he goes to his restaurant and gets food 50% off. We don't really need food. So... And he doesn't know how to cook, like that, pulled pork stuff. I don't know even what it was. It said, pulled pork with juices.
Yeah, it's much deeper than that.
Yeah, he doesn't know how to cook that stuff. And, I tried to get the chicken going, but he said he already had food. Chicken's in that bag, thing I want to bet. Yeah, don't be taking any more than that. He's just having a rough time right now, having to take care of mom, his mom, himself. He's working his ass off.
I know.
So don't take it anything more than that.
Well, there's no reason for him to be calling me and screaming at me for 10 minutes and calling me a shitty father and a slave driver and...
Well, whenever you send messages saying that he's not a fit parent, it makes me...
I didn't. I said I thought there was a responsible parent to drive them to school if they lost.
Well, he had work. A responsible parent had... Do you think just because... So, like, if you have to drive us to school and you can't make it, does that make you an irresponsible parent? No, it doesn't.
That's why texts are difficult.
Why are you recording it? Why are you recording it?
What? Because I will explain it to you in a little bit. Because I got...
Because you got what?
Screamed at by an Agro Cubano for fucking 10 minutes at school or at work today. And
Shouldn't have insulted him. How's that?
That is true. You shouldn't have insulted him.
okay, so you guys can gaslight me, but the reality is, all I said was I thought there was a responsible parent there to bring you to school.
Well, you know what that implies.
You skipped school on Tuesday. I knew you were skipping school on Wednesday.
What's the problem? Oh, you can record whatever the fuck you want, dude. Record whatever the fuck you want. Your daughter already has you recorded fucking acting even more crazy. Record me all you want. But please, get the fuck off my girlfriend's property, please. This is her property, you can step over there. Back the fuck away before I call the cops. That's simple, dude. That's simple. I was nice to you before. Nice to come later. Please get off her property. You have 30 seconds.
Start driving. Dad, come on.
Take as much as you want.
Dad.
You want to play this card?
Dad, come on. He's not going to.
Oh,
Go.
whatsoever, dog. Back up and be a bitch, dog. Walk up.
Where are you going? Stellar, where are you going?
You ain't scared of me, but I bet you be scared of a fucking bat. And the same shit, Joe. Recording goes two ways. Ain't gonna be nice for you no more, dog. Just back up. Smile as much as you want, so that's what I do to you. Uh-huh. Go. wife's property. Talk to me.
I can't open the door, Stellar.
You're on our property.
Serene,
Not yours.
get out here.
I cannot.
Not yours.
Open the
I know
door.
you're smarter than
I
that.
can't.
Way smarter than that.
What do you want?
Go, Kirk. Come on.
Stellar, what the fuck?
Alright, Serene, get out here.
Hey, no, get out. Serious.
Get it go.
Inside. Inside.
Come here. Hey.
You're gonna have to make room.
Give me that.
That was an accidental honk.
I'm pretty sure it is. You're overweight. Know your boundaries, Joe. Keep it going.
Can we go?
That's how an adult handles a angry Cubano.
Do not.
That little fucker. I mean, really, he would just get stomped.
Just shut up. Leave it alone.
Yeah, totally inappropriate.
Just shut up and leave it alone.
Serene, you're just as much as brainwashed as he is.
Just shut up and leave it alone.
You guys aren't coming here again, and you're switching schools.
I am not switching.
You don't have a choice.